Hey guys, welcome to this Flutter mobile app development course. So I'm your instructor as well as your mentor. My name is Shahidan and I'm a project manager in Telecom Malaysia. A few years back, I started learning Flutter and it has been a joy for me to get back into the tech world and started building apps for various use cases. I've built a lot of apps ranging from small use cases even to specific ones such as IoT and even big ones for a company, for example. So in this course, what you'll be able to learn is how to master this craft and build apps for multiple purposes, for your personal project, land jobs, or even to monetize your skills. So the reason I'm doing this for Sigma School, which I consider is a very good initiative, is that the learning experience is very important. That is the outcome that will determine whether someone is going to persevere in this ever-changing domain. And it's very important to have a mentor that will be able to guide you on this learning journey. So in this mobile development course, we are going to see how we are going to use Flutter, which is a recent framework which is developed by Google. We are going to focus on two basic platforms, which is Android and iOS. And we're going to see how when we write code, we're able to design interfaces that looks and feel like a native experience both for the Android and iOS platforms. And also you'll be learning how to actually structure your app in a good way so that when you're adding more features, you're able to scale your app while reducing technical debts and managing complexities. So essentially, once you have gone through this Flutter course, what you'll be able to do immediately is build new apps. And that can be for various reasons, for your personal use or for any initiative that you're willing to take to market, for example. And Flutter is very good in a way that it can also help you ideate and come up with a very good MVP for you to test out in the market. That is for students that are willing to actually use this skill to create a business for themselves. But you can also use this skill to get a job because there's a lot of demands out there in terms of people who have this ability to code in Flutter and able to target multiple platforms. And you can be one of those early adopters of this technology. And it is actually coming and a lot of opportunities are out there for you to seize. Ultimately, this course is open for everyone. You might be a fresh grad or you might be someone who is trying to come into the tech world and your passion is more on how I want to create applications that can be immediately tested or used by people out there. Apart from that, you can be someone from native developer. For example, you might be an iOS engineer, you might be an Android engineer, but you keep hearing about this new technology that will be able to target both platforms and you want to get into it. This will be a good platform for you to actually discover this technology as well and enhance your craft that you are already having. Building apps using Flutter will allow you to have a single resource that will be able to tackle and adopt an app idea to multiple platforms. And what this essentially means is that you are actually having fewer resources who are working efficiently to target both app platforms. And this is the beauty of Flutter because it enables that seamless platform targeting and all you have to do is follow their style of writing and you'll be able to build apps such as Airbnb, even ByteDance in China is using it as part of their apps. You want to get there, but the first step that you have to take is the most challenging part. But don't worry too much, we have a level 1 course called Coding Fundamentals that will get you up to speed to the level that you need to actually start building applications in Flutter. Even in Flutter, there is a special language called Dart that you have to master in a way to manipulate the different aspects of the frameworks. For example, you want to use the different UI components to make up the frame of your app. So don't worry too much, we are here, we will guide you from day one and we'll get you up to speed to Flutter without any coding. Our promise as educators is that we will try and guide you and get you to that level and we will make sure that you are able to monetize the skills that you are learning because fundamentally whenever we get new skills we want to try and monetize that as much as possible and getting there will require a significant amount of effort which we are willing to take the journey with you. So if you're not able to monetize your skill that you have learned through this course as well as get a job in the market, don't worry guys, we will give you all your money back. From this course, you'll be able to take an idea in your head and try and build an app in multiple platforms such as iOS and Android, and you'll be able to publish it directly into the App Store for your users to download and experience it immediately. That's the goal that we are trying to achieve here, guys. We are not trying to make small projects. We are here to build real projects that is valid out there and is able to sell itself in the market. Part of the reason of why I'm becoming a Flutter instructor for you guys is I don't want you guys to go through the same things that I went through. I had to do it the hard way. I bought a course, I was all alone, I had to spend hours going through the different videos and documentation. Some of them are updated, not updated. I had to do a lot of Google searches here and there to get my app up, but you don't have to go through that. This will be a very structured course. You don't have to waste your time searching here and there because I will be there to mentor you and to show you how to master this craft through various projects, and you'll be able to get your app idea to deployment immediately. So guys, imagine if you go into your pocket right now, take out your mobile phone, and when your screen turns up, you see an icon of the app that you personally built. This is what I'm offering you guys, the chance to build your own app. So come and join me and we'll take this journey together and we'll get you up to speed. See you very soon.